Recognize Councilor DiPaolo for our prayer and pledge today.
Thank you, Lieutenant Governor. Today I wish to offer our thanks to and their families and friends and communities of gun violence, which continues to plague the Commonwealth and in particular my home city.
To the flag.
United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. I recognize Councilor Jubenville for a motion to record advice and consent for the financial warrant. There's a motion and a second. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
And I recognize Councilor Ianella for a motion to record advice and consent for the pending list of notaries public and justices of the peace.
Second.
There's a motion and a second. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
We have two nominations today. Stephen H. Murray has been nominated to the position of Administrative Judge on the Industrial Accidents Board. That's within your jurisdiction, Councilor Ianella.
If it's agreeable with everybody, February 16th at 10:30 a.m. Thank you.
Okay, and the second nomination is Jamie Spiller Kaplan. She's been nominated to the position of Administrative Judge on the Industrial Accident Board. That's in your jurisdiction. Councilor.
We can do two of those in a day. Why don't we
We
do
already
the,
have two.
we have two? Okay, so,
Unless you want to do it at 9.
I don't think so. No, we can't. I mean, I'll get back to you on it. I'll take a look at it. We'll figure it out, because I have a vacation in there, so I have to figure it out.
Okay, we will confirm a date for Jamie Spiller Kaplan. That concludes our.
Could I hear, excuse me,
Mary Hurl-
can I hear the date for Stephen Murray? I couldn't hear it.
Yes, it's February 16th at 10:30.
Who's the other one we got?
Thank you.
Karen Ball.
Okay.
Oh, Campbell, yeah.
Okay, that
We'll figure it out.
for Councilor Devaney, we have a hearing date of February 16th at 10:30 for Stephen Murray, for your calendar. Okay, we have two nominations today.
I'll figure the other one out this afternoon.
Thank you
Okay,
very much.
very
Thank you,
good.
Governor.
Thank you,
That
Governor.
concludes our business today.
I'll come over. I'll be over.
Thank you.